Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Bosch 18V battery not charging, terminal cleaning and reset steps. Fix 1 is check the charger and power outlet. Plug the charger into a wall outlet, then make sure the charger light turn on. If it doesn't, try a different wall outlet. If you have another Bosch 18V battery, try charging it. If the other battery also won't charge, the charger may be bad. Second one is clean the battery terminals. Remove the battery from the charger, then wipe the metal terminal on the battery and charger with a clean, dry cloth. If they are dirty, clean them with gently a cotton swab and little rubbing alcohol. Then let the terminal dry completely. Put the battery back in the charger and check if it starts charging. Third one is reset the battery. Remove the battery from the charger, then leave it out for about 10 to 15 minutes. Reinsert the battery into the charger until it clicks into place. Then check if the charging LED start flashing or turn solid, depending on your charging model. Fourth one is check the battery temperature. If the battery feels very hot, let it cool for 30 to 60 minutes. If it very cold, bring it indoor and let it warm to room temperature. Then try charging the battery again. Fifth one is inspect the battery for damage. Look for crack, swelling, burn marks or leaking. If the battery is physical damage, do not use the charging it. Replace the battery with a genuine Bosch 18V battery if needed. Thanks for watching.